Shout out Crazy Custom. Tell you we were gonna install our new LED light covers, front and side. We gotta change the LED bulbs out. We gotta go to Walmart. So we're going everybody do go to Walmart. We got our turn signal strips installed. See them, they looking good. They bright. Definitely bigger. Big difference. Lights wise. We hit the turn signal lights. Make sure everything working like it's supposed to. Yes sir, they bright. Working good like it's supposed to. Yes sir. So everything working like it's supposed to. Had it wired through the fenders. Make sure you can't see no wires. It's been a long day. We're working on this one and Sunfire project we had going on. Trying to kill two birds with one stone. But we got this one done. We just gotta take these covers off, put some bulbs in there, LED bulbs, and we good to go. Oh, I might got a bulb out. That don't look too good. Yeah, I'm gonna swap everything LED tonight. LED turn signals. I got the LED backlights to install. But we got a problem with the lift gate won't open, so we're gonna get the lift gate fixed and we're gonna install them. But as you can see, looking good. Let's see. Flashes. That's what I want to see. She almost there. Project almost done. Paint, trim, backlights. That's it. Shout out Crazy Customs. They bright, so at night you can definitely see. Just a nice good upgrade for the older model Jeeps that we love installing. Put these LED bulbs in here tonight. Go for a ride in the city. See how they perform. You see it's kind of blurry, so I definitely gotta swap that out. Better to be clear though. So clear bulbs, clear. We got a system installed also too. And y'all can see that light back there, but we got a system installed too. So the build is coming together. Nice, great, affordable. And all this stuff we doing. Lights, the full lights and everything. I mean, because I'm doing it myself, it's a whole lot cheaper than taking it to somebody and done it. Take a little time, patience, but we're getting it done. Shout out Crazy Customs.